All right, let's take a look at what adjacent angles are. So there's an S on the angles, so we're going to have two or more. So let's just talk about two. If I have two angles, and they have to be in the same plane for this to be the same, to be adjacent. And then they share a common vertex. And a common side. So if I have, here's a vertex, unless that common side, but not any interior parts. So if this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, we would say that angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. A linear pair, these are going to be a pair of angles, make exactly what that word looks like. They make a line. So let's take a look at what the definition is. These are a pair of adjacent angles so they're going to have a common vertex and a common side, but their non-common side are opposite rays. So if this one goes that direction, opposite is 180 degrees. So this angle and this angle, angles 3 and 4 are a linear pair because angle 3 plus angle 4 equals a line. Complementary angles are angles that have a particular measure. So and it's going to be two angles. So let's take a look at this one. These are two angles whose measure have a sum, measures have a sum of 90 degrees. So if I have angle B here at 37 degrees, and I have angle A at 53 degrees. Well, 37 plus 53 is equal to 90. So angle B and angle A are complementary. Notice that they don't have to be adjacent. Vertical angles are angles that have a different relationship. So let's take a look at these. If I have two intersecting lines, and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. The non-adjacent angles are what formed by are the vertical angles. So the vertical angles are the non-adjacent angles that are formed by two intersecting lines. So the vertical angles are 1 and 3 and 2 and 4.